Hello, this is Casey from KC Grandpa Tech, where your geeky grandpa talks tech stuff, fun stuff, and much, much more. Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about e-bikes. We're going to be converting my tricycle to an e-bike, and so I picked up a kit by TFCFL. It's a 9-inch motor conversion that converts the bike into an e-bike. But before we get started, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and hit the little bell so you know the next time I'm on. So what I'm talking about is this e-bike kit. And what it does is it replaces the front wheel of the bike. And it comes with the battery. The battery is mounted actually in the hub itself, taking up less space, and the battery is removable, so you can take it back inside and charge it. So it seemed like a really, really, really good kit. And as you can see here, the battery pops inside. There's a wire that connects it. All in all, the whole system seemed like a really, really good system to do. And according to its description, it could fit into different type of braking. It came with the side braking, if you happen to use that, or you could use your conventional braking. So I got started with that, and I'm going to be talking about my experience trying to install. So I'm out here with the bike, and what we're going to be converting today is we're going to be replacing this wheel with an electronic wheel and adding the motor control and everything else here. And the first thing that we're going to have to do is to loosen this brake so I can put the tire back in, and then I'll have to flip the bike and put it in. So I'm going to get back to you right in a second. So the first thing we do is open the kit, and quite a few parts. And I will tell you this much now. This particular kit, the manual, absolutely useless. A lot of parts, but it seemed like everything was there. But they did have a video that did show how to install it. So that was the first negative that I experienced with it. Let's talk about that. Now your bike wheel comes motor, battery, everything else is enclosed. It comes deflated to make it easier to install. And you can see that it even comes with, if you have that type of brake attached already to it. Now on this side is where your battery compartment is, which you'll have to pay close attention as we're installing it. And this is the cable that comes with it that goes up to your bicycle. So I'm going to take off the wheel now and pay close attention that we have to put this part in a part on the wheel that's accessible because the battery is removable. So after unpackaging it and taking off the front wheel, I proceeded to go on and attach the wheel to the bike. Well, this setup is meant to be used with both types of brakes, and the problem that I immediately discovered was that it came with the side braking disc attached to the electric wheel, but when I put it in, you can see the disc is rubbing against the fork. So the first thing I had to do was to remove that fork, and I thought, oh, okay, I've got it satisfied. I took it off. And I went to install it, but now they hit the second problem that I immediately discovered. And that is the battery pack on the e-wheel kit extends beyond the wheel. And because of the slot in the wheel that goes into the fork, it wouldn't allow it to properly seat. And you can see it's really designed to be used with a straight fork. In my case, the bike has a fender, and because of that protrusion, it wouldn't allow it to seat completely. Also, the entire width of the disc assembly, motor assembly, was a little bit wider than the fork itself, that it couldn't see no matter what. So that was where I had to stop. And let me give you some thoughts about this. Unfortunately, I wish I would have known this ahead of time. The description on Amazon is less than stellar. It does not give you the how wide your fork needs to be, or the limitations, as you saw, where the battery will not fit. Now, it does come with everything you need, and this is the picture, of course, of what it does come with. It comes with a booster disc, which basically attaches to your pedal assembly, which allows you, when you're pedaling, for the sensor to detect that you're pedaling and adjust accordingly. Also, it comes with a cell phone holder, because instead of having a display, which some of the kits do, this one uses your cell phone as a display, and your cell phone hooks up to it and uses the power of the battery in the wheel to keep it charged. It's unfortunate I was unable to use it, but it's one of the things you'll need to be looking if you do look at a kit. You'll have to look at other kits where the battery is not inside the wheel. I thought this would be a great idea for 345. I found this on Amazon. It's a TFCFL bike motor conversion kit, 36 volt. But unfortunately, as you could see, it did not fit my bike, and I wish it did. At any rate, I hope this information has been helpful for you on an e-bike installation. In the future, if I do find another kit that might fit the bike, I will be videotaping it. Also, look forward to my Vivo review. The video that was recorded outside was filmed on a Mevo Start. I just got it, and I started using it outside. I like it a lot because I'm able to use my cell phone and control the camera and zoom in everything else. And I can live stream right from it. So we'll be talking about that in the future. Until next time, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And this is KC from KC Grandpa Tech out.